Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. So here we are with another quick unboxing of Xiaomi presents Redmi Note 7s. So guys, the main selling point of this phone is the 48 megapixel camera in under 10k segment. Also, this phone has got some great specs. So we hope you like this video. So better watch it full. And also for detailed review of this phone, you can visit our website electrofun.co.in. So let's get started. So guys, hope you like this video. If you do, please click the like button and also subscribe to our channel as we are coming up with new videos every week. And do visit our website electrofun.co.in for more detailed topic on this unboxing. Thank you guys.